this is Melissa from Sunshine Packing Way. So, welcome to watch my video collection Melissa talk about. So many times in our new showroom, when the customer walk by this way, they see this product, they will ask, wow, Melissa, what will be this product? Is it also the cake bowl? Yes, the answer will be yes. This is also cake bowl, but with a different material. As we know. Normally our Sunshine cake bowl is used by paper. So this one is the new material, what we call for is acrylic. So this material is acrylic cake bowl, and we can see even in the same thickness, this product, the strongness and the hardness will be better. Also for this one, our customer when we purchase back to their using, it's not just for once. Maybe for this cake bowl, they will use for one time and then they throw it away. But for this one, when they use, they can wash by water, wash clean, and then they can use for next time. So for this one, acrylic cake bowl, it will be useful, not just for one time. So when the customer, if you are interested for this one, like presenting in shops or you can use at home, you can use for many times. So I recommend this type of acrylic cake bowl. We have also like this transparent color or this blue or green or red color. So it will be also a very nice choice for your home baking use. So if you are interested in this product, you can contact me right now. Thank you. Bye bye.